Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope you will be fine. Students, today we are going to start to solve question number 2 part 4 from exercise number 3.2. First of all, we will read out the statement of question number 2. Evaluate and express the answer with bases 2, 5 and 8. Student, first of all, we will convert all the basis number into decimal number system. Then we will perform the respective functions and we got the answer. And when we got the answer, then we will express the answer with base 2, 5 and 8. Now let's start the solution. Here is our part 4. In bracket we have 3, 3, 4, 4 with base 5 plus within a curly brackets we have 4101 with base 5 plus 217 with base 8 plus 1010101 with base 2 and 11011 with base 2. Now student, first of all we will write the statement. Convert all the base numbers into decimal number system. You all know that how to convert a base number into decimal number system. We will multiply the given digits with the base, then we will give exponent to them and then we solve. First of all, we will write 3 into 5 plus 3 into 5 plus 4 into 5 plus 4 into 5. Now we will give exponent from right towards left, starting from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 will write as it is into 5 cube means 125 plus 3 will write as it is into 5 square means 25 plus 4 will write as it is into 5 raised to power 1 means 5 plus 4 as it is into 1 because 5 raised to power is equal to 1. Now we will multiply 3 into 125 we got 375 plus 3 into 25 we got 75 plus 4 into 5 we got 20 plus 4 into 1 we got 4. When we add all the values we got our answer 474. Our next number is 4101 with base 5. We will multiply all the digits with its base. 4 into 5 plus 1 into 5 plus 0 into 5 plus 1 into 5. Then we will give exponent 0, 1, 2, 3. 4 will write as it is into 125 because 5 cube is equal to 125. Plus 1 will write as it is into 25 because 5 square means 25 plus 0 as it is into 5 raised to power 1 means 5 plus 1 into 1 because 5 raised to power 0 means 1. Then we'll multiply 4 into 125 we got 500 plus 1 into 25 we got 25 plus 0 into 5 we got 0 plus 1 into 1 we got 1. When we add all the values we got 526. Then our next number is 217 with base 8. We will multiply 2 into 8 plus 1 into 8 plus 7 into 8. Then we will give exponent 0, 1, 2. 2 will write as it is into 64 because 8 square means 64 plus 1 will write as it is into 8 raised to power 1 means 8 plus 7 into 1 because 8 raised to power 0 is equal to 1. When we multiply 2 into 64 we got 128 plus when we multiply 1 into 8 we got 8. Then we multiply 7 into 1 we got 7. When we add all the numbers we got 143. Our next number is 1010101 with base 2. We will multiply 1 into 2 plus 0 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 2 plus 1 into 2. Then we give exponent 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 will write as it is into 64 because when we multiply 2 6 times we got 64 plus 0 into 32. When we multiply 2 5 times we got 32 plus 1 into 16 because here we have 2 raised to power 4 and we multiply 4 times we got 16 plus 0 into 8 because 2 raised to power 3 we got 8 plus 1 into 4 plus 0 into 2 plus 1 into 1. When we multiply 1 into 64 we got 64 plus when we multiply 0 into 32 we got 0 plus when we multiply 1 into 16 we got 16 plus 0 into 8 we got 0 plus 1 into 4 we got 4 plus 0 into 2 we got 0 plus 1 into 1 we got 1. When we add all the numbers we got 85. Now our next number is 11011 with base 2. 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2. Now we gave exponent 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 as it is into 2 raised to power 4 means 16 plus 2 raised to power 3 means 8 and 1 will write as it is plus 0 into 2 square means 4 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 1. When we multiply 1 into 16 we got 16 plus 1 into 8 we got 8 plus 0 into 4 we got 0 plus 1 into 2 we got 2 plus 1 into 1 we got 1. When we add all the values we have our answer 27. Now students, we will write the question again and then we will write down the answers in the decimal number system which we got here. Then we will perform the respective functions. Here is our question given to us. Then we will write on a place of first number 3344 with base 5 we got our answer 474 plus within a curly brackets we will write all the answers of the base numbers which are given to us. Firstly we will write 526 plus 143 plus 85 minus 27. Student, first of all we will add the all positive values. We got 754 minus 27 as it is. When we subtract 27 from 754 we got 727. By adding both numbers 474 plus 727 we got our answer 1201. Now convert 1201 to binary system, base 5 and octal number system. Here is a successive division method. When we divide 1201 with base 2, 2 6 are 12, 0 as it is, and we don't divide 1 with 2, so we add 0 here and 1 is remainder, so we will write here in this place. 2 3 are 6, 0 0 will write as it is into where there is no remainder, so we will write here 0. 2 1 are 2, 1 carry here makes 10, 2 5 are 10 and 0 will write as it is. There is 0 remainder, so we will write here 0. 2 7 are 14, 1 carry here makes 10, 2 5 are 10 and 0 is remainder, so we will write here 0. 2 3 are 6, 1 carry, 2 7 are 14 and 1 is remainder. 2 1s are 2, 1 carry, 2 8s are 16 and 1 is remainder. 2 9s are 18, there is no remainder, so we will write here 0. 2 4s are 8, there is 1 remainder, so we will write here 1. 2 2s are 4, there is no remainder, so we will write here 0. 2 1s are 2 and there is no remainder, so we will write here 0. So our answer is 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 with base 2. Now we will convert it with base 5 number system. 5 2s are 10, to carry here makes 20, 5 4s are 20. We cannot divide 1 with 5, so we will write here 0 and 1 is our remainder. 5 4s are 20, 4 carry to the next number here makes 40, 5 8s are 40. There is no remainder, so we will write here 0. 5 9s are 45, there is 3 reminders, so we will write here 3. 5 1s are 5, there is 4 reminders, so we will write here. So our answer is 14301 with base 5. Here is our conversion of our decimal 1201 into octal number system. 8 1s are 8. We gave 4 carry to the next number, here makes 40. 8 5s are 40 and 0 here. We will write 1 in the remainder column. 8 1s are 8. We gave carry to the next column, here makes 70. 8 8s are 64 and here is 6 remainder. 8 2s are 16 and 2 is remainder. So our answer is 2261 with base 8. So 1201 is equal to 10010110001 with base 2. 1201 is equal to 14301 with base 5. And 1201 is equal to 2261 with base 8. This is our answer. Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? I hope you will be fine. Students, today we are going to solve question number 1 part 15 of exercise number 3.2. As you can see that here is our part 15. 635 minus curly bracket into bracket we have 2244 with base 5 minus in bracket we have 1243 with base 5 minus in bracket we have 110111 with base 2 curly bracket. Friends, As you can see that in questions we have different bases given to us. Firstly, we will convert this base numbers into our decimal numbers. Then we will perform the respective functions which they gave to us. Now students, let's start our solution. First of all, we will write a statement, convert all the numbers into decimal number system. Our first number given to us is 2244 with base 5. First we will convert it into the decimal number system. You all know that how to convert a base number into decimal number. First we will multiply all the given digits into a base. Then we will give exponent to them and then we will solve it. Firstly we will write 2 into 5 because 5 is the base, plus 2 into 5 plus 4 into 5 plus 4 into 5. Now we will give exponent from right towards left. 0, 1, 2, 3. 2 will write as it is into 5 raised to power 3 means we will multiply 5 3 times. After the multiplication we got 125 plus 2 as it is into 5 square means 25 plus 4 as it is into 5 raised to power 1 means 5 plus 4 into 1, because as you all know that when we have zero exponent we is supposed to be, and we all know that this is a law that when any number have exponent 0 it is equal to 1. Now we will multiply 2 into 125 we got 250 plus 2 into 25 we got 50 plus 4 into 5 we got 20 plus 4 into 1 we got 4. When we add all the given numbers we got 324. Now let's move towards our second number given to us, which is 1243 with base 5. We'll multiply all the digits with its base first. 1 into 5 plus 2 into 5 plus 4 into 5 plus 3 into 5. Now we will give exponent starting from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. 1 will write as it is into 5 cube means 125 plus 2 as it is into 5 square means 25 plus 4 into 5 raised to power 1 means 5 plus 3 into 1. Now we will multiply 1 into 125 we got 125 plus 2 into 25 we got 50 plus 4 into 5 we got 20 plus 3 into 1 we got 3. Now we add all the numbers, we have 198. Now students, here is our binary number given to us 110111 with base 2. Firstly we will multiply all the given digits into the base. 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2. Now we give exponent from right towards left. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now 1 will write as it is into 2 raised to power 5 means 32 plus 1 into 16 because 2 raised to power 4 is equal to 16 plus 0 into 8 because 2 cube is equal to 8 plus 1 into 4 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 1. Now we will multiply 1 into 32 we got 32 plus 1 into 16 we got 16 plus 0 into 8 we got 0 plus 1 into 4 we got 4 plus 1 into 2 we got 2 plus 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Now we add all the numbers, we have the sum 55. Now students, we will write the question again, then we will write the answers against each number system given to us, then we will solve it. Here is our question given to us, then we will write 635 as it is minus into curly bracket we wrote 324 because when we convert this number into decimal number system we got our answer 324 minus 198 minus 55 within a brackets. Now 635 will written as it is minus within a brackets we will write 324 as it is. We will combine the negative numbers, then we got minus 253. Now we will subtract 253 from 324 we got 71. Now we will subtract 71 from 635 we got 564, which is our answer. Now students, let's move towards our question number 2. Here is our question number 2. Evaluate and express the answer with bases 2, 5 and 8. Students, in this question you solve the questions. Firstly we will convert the base numbers into our decimal numbers, then we will solve it. After the solution we will convert the answer into base 2, base 5 and base 8. Now students, let's start our solution with our part 2. 248 plus within a brackets we have 3124 with base 5 minus within a bracket we have 110 with base 2. Now student, firstly we will convert these two base numbers into decimal number system starting from 3124 with base 5. Firstly we will multiply all the digits with its base. 3 into 5 plus 1 into 5 plus 2 into 5 plus 4 into 5. Now we will give exponent to them. 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 will write as it is into 5 cube means 125 plus 1 as it is into 5 square means 25 plus 2 into 5 plus 4 into 1. Now we will multiply 3 into 125, we got 375 plus 1 into 25, we got 25 plus 2 into 5, we got 10 plus 4 into 1, we got 4. Now when we add all the numbers, we have our answer 414. Now student, this is our binary number. First we will convert into the decimal number. We will multiply all the given digits with the base, which is 2. 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 2. Now we will give exponent 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we will write 1 as it is into 32 because 2 raised to power 5 is equal to 32 plus 1 into 16 because 2 raised to power 4 is equal to 16 plus 0 as it is into 2 cube means 8 plus 1 into 4 because 2 square means 4 plus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 1. Now we will multiply 1 into 32, we got 32 plus 1 into 16, we got 16 plus 0 into 8, we got 0 plus 1 into 4, we got 4 plus 1 into 2, we got 2 plus 0 into 1, we got 0. When we add all the numbers, we got the sum 54. Now we will write the question again and we will write the answers of the base which we have gained from converting the base number into decimal numbers. We will write 240 as it is plus 414 minus 54. We will add both numbers, we got 662 minus 54 as it is, and when we subtract 54 from 662 we got 608. Now student, this is our answer, but we will convert into binary numbers, then in our base 5 number system, then in octal number, starting from our binary number. Firstly we will write convert 608 into the binary system with base 2. Now here is our successive division method when we convert a decimal number into the base number. When we divide 608 with 2, we got 2 3s are 6, 0 as it is, and 2 4s are 8. There is no reminder, so we will write here 0. 2 1s are 2, 1 carry here makes 10, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, and here is reminder 0. 2 7s are 14, 1 carry here makes 12, 2 6 are 12, and 0 is a reminder. Then 2 3s are 6, 1 carry it makes 16, 2 8s are 16, and 0 is reminder. 2 1s are 2, 1 carry it makes 18, 2 9s are 18, and 0 is our reminder. Then 2 9s are 18, there is 1 reminder, so we will write here. 2 4s are 8, 1 reminder, we will write here. 2 2s are 4, there is no reminder, so we will write here 0. 2 1s are 2, and here is reminder 0. As you all know that how we write the answer, starting from 1 0 and then from downward to the upward. 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 with base 2 is our answer into the binary system. Now we convert 608 into the base 5 number system. Firstly we will write the statement, now convert 608 into the base 5 number system. We will divide 608 with the base 5. 5 1s are 5, 1 carry to the next digit it makes 10, 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, and 3 is the remainder. Then 5 2s are 10, 2 carry to the next digit here makes 21, 5 4s are 20, and 1 is the remainder. 5 4s are 20, and 4 is the remainder. Our answer is 4413 with base 5. Now we will convert 608 into the octal number system. We will divide it with 8. 8 7s are 56. We gave carry 4 to the next digit, it makes 48. 8 6 are 48, then 0 is the remainder. 8 9s are 72, and 4 is the remainder. 8 1s are 8, and 1 is the remainder. So our answer is 1140 with base 8. So students, we will write our answer as 608 is our answer, is equal to, in binary number we got 10011000000 with base 2. 608 in base 5 is 4413 with base 5. 608 into octal is 1140 with base 8. This is our answer.